Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply a text portrait effect on a picture in Adobe Photoshop. About a year ago, this image was actually featured as a fan art on Suits Peacock, the official Instagram handle of Suits TV series. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future updates which will be helpful for you. So let's get started. Open Adobe Photoshop, then go to File and open the image of your choice. Make sure that you choose a high resolution image. Then select the crop tool and crop the image so that the subject fits in properly. Here I have set the aspect ratio to 1:1, which is square. If you have chosen a color image, then go to adjustments and create a new black and white layer. Again go to adjustments and create a new brightness contrast layer. I'm going to tweak the brightness and contrast of the image to get deeper blacks and brighter whites. Looks good. Now unlock the image layer and click filter. Go to blur, then select Gaussian blur. Set the radius to 10 pixels and click OK. Now go to file and save this file as blur.pst. Now undo Gaussian blur by going to edit, or you can simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Z, which will achieve the same result. Next we are going to select horizontal type tool and make a selection fit to the canvas covering the entire image. Here I am using a font name Metropolis, extra bold with 7 point of size. You can download this font family from Google Fonts for free. I have already made a text document of Harvey's epic one-liners. Now I am going to select this all text and paste it into our text area. Select all of the text by pressing Ctrl+A and go to paragraph, then click justify all. Now open character. Here I am going to set the leading to 7 point, tracking to 10, and most importantly enable all caps. Keep the text smaller and you can play around with the metrics till it looks good to you. Drag the image on top of the text layer. Right click on it and select create clipping mask. Select the text layer. Go to filter, distort, then displace. Convert this layer into smart object so that we can later make adjustments to the text style if we want to. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 5 and click OK. Now let's locate the file which we have saved recently as blur.pst. Create a new layer for the background. Select the black color and fill it in this layer. Good job. We have now successfully converted a photo into a fantastic text portrait. You can save this work into a JPG or PNG image file. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, share it with your friends, and don't hesitate to ask any queries in the comment box. The Behance project link is given in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.